Hi guys, Mark Anthony here with another money making video. If you're new to this channel, then please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell, and you can comment and share as you wish. And we'll be doing about 2 videos a week, all about making money online, money making strategies and systems. That's what this channel is all about. It's a fairly new channel. Anyway, my name is Mark Anthony. Welcome today, and in this video we're going to look how you can make money as a Pinterest VA, a virtual assistant for Pinterest. This can be a part-time side hustle, a full-time income if you wanted it to be, but there's all sorts of spin-offs with this business model, which makes it perfect for a lot of people, really. Anyway, a Pinterest VA, virtual assistant, is someone who helps online business owners and bloggers and just about anyone who needs exposure and lots of highly targeted organic traffic, organic meaning free, traffic via the Pinterest platform. This is a freelance business opportunity. So no employer, you just be an employee of yourselves, self-employed. You can basically, you're in complete control. Control the number of clients you have and how many hours that you want to work. So it's not a bad setup. So the VA will be responsible for setting up accounts on Pinterest, setting up the boards and the pins, and optimizing everything with targeted keywords, which would generally be provided to you by the client. And then you would set up the analytics and spreadsheets, which you can share with the client, so you can see an actual progress of your marketing. When you're starting out, you expect to be paid around $10 to $15 an hour for your services. So you can quite easily be making $200 a day when you have a small number of clients, and you can leverage your time, spelling error there, leverage your time with scheduling software like Tailwind. So this means you can do all the work today and schedule it on Tailwind, which you will learn about, but when you get stuck into this type of thing, it's a paid software where you can do all your pins and everything and schedule them to post at a certain time. You just basically set everything up. It's a set and forget type of scenario. So you can do all the work over a couple of days and then have a few days off. It's up to you. That's the beauty of Tailwind. And to get started as a Pinterest VA, you need to position yourself as an expert in Pinterest marketing strategies, as you'll probably know. Once you accomplish this, you'll have to show proof that you can deliver on your promises, and clients will expect to see proof, but before they will commit to your service. They need to know that you know what you're talking about and you can provide the results. So don't talk the talk unless you can walk the walk. So remember, this is a real business, and you need to confirm that this is the ideal business for you before you go any further. Otherwise, you're just basically wasting your time. But if you're serious and ready, and this generally does interest you, then we need to address the obvious problem. And the problem, as you can imagine, is most of you will not know anything about Pinterest marketing and Pinterest marketing strategies. You probably heard about Pinterest. Maybe you've done a little bit on Pinterest and not got the results. So obviously that needs to change. You need to be the actual professional in your area, and your area of expertise is Pinterest marketing. Anyway, thankfully there are courses you can take to enable you to take which will enable you to take the first steps. And these courses vary from 5 days up to about 8 weeks in some cases. And one of the first things you'll need to do is to start a new website. So when you start doing a course, you need to be promoting something so you can gauge your progress. And now this could be, maybe it could be an affiliate product if you wanted, or it could even be a website promoting this new business of yours as a virtual assistant. So you can use this website as a test site to grow Pinterest traffic. And once you've accomplished this to a good standard, then you can show potential clients how successful your marketing is. So you follow the training and watch your traffic grow, and then learn all aspects of Pinterest marketing strategies and implement them into your own VA business model. And this way you can earn while you learn. So when you get so far in the course, you can see your traffic getting higher and higher, then you can obviously leverage that information to gain clients when you are ready to do so. Anyway, let's just have a look at Pinterest.com and the actual traffic it gets. And you can see here the total visits. I'll scroll this down. Is basically 1 billion a month, 1 billion. So that's a lot of traffic. And Pinterest is a search engine. It's more like a visual search engine because of all the pins. You can see February 21, and it's all over 1 billion every month. So major traffic. And obviously the main country, no surprise, is the USA with a 44% slice of all this Pinterest traffic. Right, so you can obviously see the beauty of Pinterest and why a lot of companies want to get traffic from Pinterest, but they don't know how to do that, or they don't have the time, and they will basically outsource this to freelancers just like you, who can just take control. You can arrange to be done so many hours per month to focus on this. It's up to you, whatever you want to agree with. And they will pay you month after month. If they're happy, they will continue to pay you as long as the traffic keeps growing. So it's a win-win situation. Anyway, the main problem is obviously most of you will not know much about Pinterest marketing strategies, how to get lots and lots of traffic from this fantastic website, this search engine. So there are free courses you can start, so you don't have to risk any money. This one is Mums Make Sense. This is McKinsey's site. To give you an idea of what you'll learn. This is generally a Pinterest traffic site. It's not a course about being a Pinterest VA, a virtual assistant. This is about growing a business using Pinterest. So day one, how to optimize your profile. Day two, secret strategies for creating viral pins. How to be present on Pinterest all day and that's probably using the software that I mentioned before, Tailwind. And day four, learn which Pinterest myths are junk and which ones you need to pay attention to. Day five, learn the most common Pinterest mistakes and some special bonuses. And you can see what the others are saying about this. These testimonials here. I couldn't believe the amount of knowledge she was dropping in this free course. I took a paid course right back when I was starting blogging that didn't help nearly as much as Pinterest Primer did. So this is McKinsey's. This is McKinsey here, and she's appeared on Forbes. So a name to be conjured with regarding Pinterest traffic. And this is a free course that you can just sign up to, absolutely free. Another one is basically a 5-day challenge to boost your traffic with Pinterest. Do you know what? I would basically do both of these courses, these free courses, and you might learn something in one that you don't learn in another. And the actual idea is to learn as much as you can about Pinterest marketing. But this is more of a challenge, so they'll give you, this is Kate Rosales, and this will give you each day the actual challenge for you to complete. So you start and finish the course, and that's another free option. Another one is the Pinterest VA elective. So this is a course specifically for Pinterest Virtual Assistant, which is completely different, and this is a paid course. And you'll find that the VA courses, the specific VA courses, will be paid courses. Let's have a look. So a single payment, $197, or 2 payments of $107, and you can read all about this. But this is a specific to starting a business as a Pinterest virtual assistant. So you can do your free traffic courses before you move on to this. It might help you out. Do the free ones first, and if you did fancy doing this for a business opportunity, this then you can do. It's completely up to you. Next one is Katie Grazer. She has got her own YouTube channel regarding Pinterest traffic, so she knows what she's talking about. This girl gets lots and lots of traffic, and she has her own course. This is not about Pinterest VA. This is just about marketing on Pinterest, all about keywords and hashtags and setting up rich pins and that type of thing, and group boards. And she charges a single payment just $79, which is quite cheap, really. That is another option for you, but you can still do the free courses just to get you started. And if you're going to get really, really serious, then this is a full, complete course about being a virtual assistant, and how you can earn an extra $1,000 to $2,000 a month. This is quite an expensive course, but the actual testimonials are very, very good. So have a look at this, but they can see the prices here. $900. We can do 6 payments of $179. I know it's a lot of money, and this is further down the road. Obviously, do the free stuff first. You can even do a cheaper course on VA, like I showed you before, the VA elective, before you move on to something a lot more serious. And this is basically for people who want to do this for a full-time income. So this is constantly updated. But the testimonials in here are very, very good. And this is by Christine Larson. Another one was Pin to Profits, basically. And this is one that's done by McKinsey, who's done the free one. Excuse me. And this is basically about Pinterest traffic also. Just like this lady here, she's used it to start a Pinterest VA business and makes about $2,000 a month. Thanks to your courses, I've been working as a Pinterest VA for the last 7 months since I completed Pins to Profits. I currently have 5 clients while still working full time. I spend about 10 hours a week on my Pinterest services and make about $2,000 a month. So you can see the money making potential of being a Pinterest VA. 10 hours a week, $2,000 a month. But like I say, this is McKinsey's, and you can do a free course here. And probably might be an option just to upgrade to a higher paid course if you wanted. It's completely up to you. But interesting anyway, isn't it? So this is a good option for anyone who wants to make money as a Pinterest VA. You can earn up to $1,000 to $2,000 a month just by getting a few clients and working about 10 hours a week. So worth looking into. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video today. My name is Mark Anthony. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell, where you'll be notified of any new videos that I do, about 2 a week. And don't forget to comment if you have any questions, and share if you would. Helps us grow the channel. And if you're interested in affiliate marketing and earning $1,000 plus commissions, which is basically what I do most of my time, then you're very welcome to get my free course on high ticket affiliate marketing. 90-minute course, 3 videos, and you can find this in the description below. Just sign up for that, completely free. You'll never be asked for a penny off me. But you'll be welcome to join us on that if you want to learn more about high ticket affiliate marketing and how you can earn these big $1,000 plus commissions. Anyway, that's it for today. My name is Mark Anthony. Thank you again for your time today, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye for now.